Shehnaz, do you know something about Baba anymore? What? You know, where Baba's Samadhi is there, one great saint, very old one, told that here a man will be buried, that people from all over the world will come to pray him.
Is that true?
Of course, don't you know that? Now, Parvez, do you know something which went in my school? What happened that? Once now, my prefect told me that you must polish your shoes daily. So one day I forgot to polish my shoes. So what happened? By Baba's grace, my shoes became polished so much that my prefect told that show your shoes to the whole dormitory that they must polish their shoes like this. Do you know one thing what happened with my granny? She always believes in Baba. So once she was so much in trouble that she jumped into a well. Though she did not know swimming, she was still floating in the well. Then everybody saw her, everybody were extremely surprised to see that. Now Shehnaz, do you know about the accident which happened yesterday?
Yes, of course.
I'll tell you something more. Now yesterday, many people of our house went to Bombay. So on the way at Supa, there became an accident of 3 buses. So now what happened? All the children were sitting in one line, and next to them 2 women were sitting, both sides. So as the buses crashed, the both sides women were injured badly, but not even a scratch on our children was there. Thank God Baba has saved our children. Because such faith in Baba, we have gained again our children. Once, this boy, Jangu, was about to fell in a valley. He about slipped inside. But as he began to say, Baba, 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 someone just came and helped him and pulled him out. Now once, when I was going, my brother and my servant were coming from Nagar to Bombay. So from Bombay to Nagar, on the way our bus was not climbing the ghats only, it was going slipping down. How much we prayed to Baba, at last we were saved. Thanks to Baba.
Once the scooter's tire burst. We all fell, but I didn't get a scratch. Thanks for Baba, we were saved.
Yeah, it's good that we are all Baba's lovers. Now, Baba is a great lover of poor people. Now you know, he has even fed the people who have no hands and legs. Now who have leprosy, he has washed them with water and they have become well. It's a miracle really. Baba loved all children of the world. He did not say that. And his best animal was horse. He loved horse. And now you know, at Baba's house, where Baba's Mandli lives, there you know, at a tree, imaginarily, the Baba's photo has come.
Everybody loves him.
Because everybody loves him. And he has told Mani Auntie that, do you see that photo on the wall? On the first day it was small and it became bigger. Then it became beautifully crowd after 7 days. Exactly like Baba. And he told Mani Auntie that, see, Now this will show you that I am always near you and never fear. And even beggars believe in Baba and kings. Now do you know something about it? One lover of Baba said that if you have oceans of ink and trees of pens and all wood of paper, then also you cannot tell Baba's love for the human beings and for all animals. He loves everyone in the world. Now I met Baba on some Baba's very near relations, Nauchot, and somebody's wedding. So it was at Baba's house. So at Baba's house we met there, and I saw him, and he kissed me. He had kissed me, and I even talked to him. When I was small, he was coming to meet me, and we were always talking to him. Now they even have met, and they will tell you something.
I have heard a story from my auntie that when Baba was small, he was playing with a snake. And he did not know it was a snake, so he was playing. His mother was very afraid, but when the snake was gone, it had not injured him. So we all know that it is really a miracle. I met Baba on my birthday and he garlanded me. I also met him at the wedding of his brother's son.
Now I second time have met Baba when I did not meet him unfortunately, but he sent me a tar. He came to kiss me on my birthday, but unfortunately I was not there. So he sent an urgent tar to me. Call. When I am the most luckiest fellow, I think. So when I was young, Baba made my first birthday so grateful. He made very much fun and laughter. He said that you be good, and he said many things about for me. Once when my mother was there, I was so afraid that I made a very loud voice. I made a so much loud voice that my auntie was so afraid that he slapped my mother. So my mother was also so much afraid that he said Baba, and at once from Guru Prasad Baba came in his car to Bindra house, and then he was angry with my grandmother. Why? Because she had slapped my mother unfortunately. Without mistake or like that only, because my grandmother was so much angry, he just slapped my mother. Now shall we go in the house? Now we will go in the house.
We all children have met Baba many times because he used to visit us in his car. I have met Baba only 2 times because when I was very little, I was not coming here, so I have only met Baba 2 times.
Now shall I tell a miracle? Now I'll tell you a miracle. When I was very young, of 2-3 months, I had diarrhea. It was such a serious diarrhea that doctors had no hope for me. So my mother and my aunt quickly ran to Baba's center, and there was some center in Bombay to Baba. So they went there and at once prayed very much to Baba about it. And I was soon well above. Once there was a woman. She had 3 daughters and only 1 son. So So her son was about to die. So she was so much frightened. Doctors had no hope for her son. So she at once went to Baba's Samadhi. She did Surya Namaskar and went up till Baba's Samadhi.
Okay, let's all get up now and go over to the house.
Say something about Baba.
Yes, give it to him to say something.
जल्दी बोलो कायू Jai Baba to you all. Tell me, where is my friend? I want to see him. I want to talk to him. I want to play with him. I want to receive prasad from him and I want to kiss him. I want that friend whom I call Baba. Where is my Baba? Can you tell me where is he? Why are you silent? Tell me where he's gone. I went to Merazat to see him many a time. I could not see him. I found his silence there. But tell me whether I find him in silence. I cannot become silent. My mind is very talkative. Tell me how to become silent. My Baba is my friend. My Baba is my daddy. My Baba is my everything. Tell me how I find him. Oh beloved Baba, these people don't tell me where are you. You hear me. You hear my call. You show your face to me. Come to me. I want you. I want your love. There is no one to give me that love. Please listen my prayer. Come to kiss me. Come to embrace me. I want the most. Come please and give me your darshan. I am thirsty. I am tired. I can't come to you. You come to me and give me sweets. Oh Baba, listen my prayer. I am your child and you are my love. How can I live without you? There is no one to play with me like you. Please come soon. Don't get angry with us. We are waiting for you. Jai Baba.
I am Beram. Be means two and Ram means one. All know, so I am two Rams. I said to my mummy, I am two Rams, while Baba is only one Ram. My mummy said, no, Baba is four Ram and you are two Rams. I said, how can Baba be four Ram? My mummy said, listen, एक घर दशरथ दल डोले, एक राम गटगट में बोले, एक राम का सकल पसारा, एक राम त्रिभुवन से ना. Ram is only one, but he has four states. I said, Mummy, I don't understand. I think I am greater Rams because I am two Rams. Mummy said, all right, you are two Rams. You have to do two things. You don't be mischievous and you don't forget Baba. If you do this, you will become two Ram. I said, I have two qualities. I am mischievous and I am steady well. So I am two Rams. My mummy said, play mischievous to please Baba and study the book of heart. I did not understand this, but I thought my mummy would explain this afterwards. I went to Guru Prasad. I saw Baba walking very fast. I like his walk. I also see him walking before my eyes. I told my mummy. My mummy said, you also see Baba walking. If you do this, you will become two Rams. So my problem is solved now. I play to Baba. Please walk